Honey? Honey, wake up. Hi, Mom. Me and your dad woke up. What? You're gonna have a stepdad now. Do you want to meet him? Sure, I guess. Good. Come on, Matthew. Oh, this is the brat. Hoping a little bit prettier. Huh. You don't think I'm pretty? Yeah. Wow. My own daughter's prettier than you. Come on, Muffins. Oh my God, she's so ugly. Tell me about it. Honey, yeah? Don't you think, like, totally your daughter's ugly? Yeah, totally. Mom? Why would you say that? Because you're ugly? I would have never even had you. Ugh, come on. Let's go. Yeah. I'm sorry. You're actually pretty. My dad just makes us say what he says. Okay.